Hey everyone, it's Sean from Empire Drone. Today we're going over the Empire Drone Indoor Tactical Kit. We touched on this kit briefly in the DJI Mini 2 video, but here we're going to take a deeper dive into the kit and its use cases. We've seen a significant demand from a variety of agencies for an indoor tactical drone, and we've designed this setup with law enforcement in mind. That being said, this kit is flexible enough to be used by firefighters, inspection teams, and any other group looking for an extremely capable indoor flight drone. Let's take a look. This case is ruggedized, waterproof, and big enough to carry everything in the indoor tactical kit. Its mil-spec design and built-in transport wheels make it easy and seamless to move around. Not to mention its Nanook, which has built a name for itself as being one of the best case manufacturers around. In the custom case, we have the drone, which is a DJI Mini 2 with 360-degree prop guards, 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, and controller with the installed tablet holder. The drone itself has 2 tactical lights, up and forward and downward. These 2 tactical lights provide a ton of power to illuminate even the darkest spaces. Below the top foam, we also have space for cabling, accessories, and tablets of multiple sizes. So that's the kit itself. Now let's talk about the indoor flight capabilities of the key component of this kit, the drone. We touched on this briefly in our video about the Mini 2 versus the Mini 1. We are continually impressed with how well the Mini 2 performs indoors. The drone maintains a solid connection through concrete, steel, long distances, and even over multiple floors. How do we know this? We have done intense testing in a variety of environments, including large warehouses and residential buildings, office buildings, and more. The agencies who run this kit are constantly sending positive feedback on how well the drone, along with its 360 prop guards, performs indoors. They also like the cost. The full tactical kit costs less than $1,000. More importantly, the flight system, the drone, props, and prop guards, the stuff liable to damage, has a replacement cost of less than $500. This is good for 2 reasons. Lower cost means agencies are able to deploy more units across their organization. And most importantly, it means agencies need to worry less about pushing the indoor tactical kit to its limits in an emergent situation. The last thing you need to worry about in an emergency is protecting your frontline equipment because of its high upfront costs and ongoing maintenance costs. So in closing, that was a look at the Empire Drone Indoor Tactical Kit. With its low cost and outstanding flight capabilities, this kit is a must for organizations looking for a complete indoor operation system. Feel free to contact us with any questions or quote requests. Thanks for watching. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe to social media in the links below. We'll see you next time.